Think it is?
A blanket.
A blanket?
Yeah. Can I open it? Yeah. Why did you give me that?
Did you what?
Toilet paper. Hey, why you give me
You can use toilet paper, can't you?
Hey, what you giving me? I didn't want.
Why not?
Because I don't like toilet paper. I don't want that.
But don't you use toilet paper?
Yes.
Do you like your presents? You do? Are you going to use yours, AJ?
You didn't give me what I wanted.
It's not Christmas yet.
I wanted the thing I wanted, but not toilet paper. No way.
AJ likes his present.
Wow. I don't like what you got me.
Why not?